In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location. Begin by going into Tap menu by swiping down from the top right corner of your device. Like that. Then look for a white or gray location shortcut. As you can see, mine is here and it's gray, so when I click, it turned white. That means that location is now enabled. To disable it, click on the same shortcut until it's gray. If you wish to, you can also go into devices settings. Scroll down to click on location section over here. And then use this switcher at the top right corner to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!